What's up everybody, it's Tuesday, so y'all already know I'm coming back at y'all with another cooking tutorial. I'm really excited about today's video because it's the first time I'm making a dessert on my channel. Whenever I tried it and I saw how good it turned out, I was so excited to share it with you guys. Hopefully y'all like it as much as I do. Before we get started, as always, make sure you give me that thumbs up and that you hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. But other than that, let's get started. So first, let's get started with our fillings. We're gonna combine 1 1/3 cup of whole milk with 1 14-ounce can of condensed milk. We are gonna need instant vanilla pudding mix. You can swap that out for banana if you want. I personally don't recommend it. Just make sure that the pudding mix is instant because I promise y'all it will not solidify. Ask me how I know. Once our filling is mixed well and free of any clumping, we can set it in the refrigerator and get started making our whipped cream. You're going to take 3 cups of heavy whipping cream and put it in a bowl. Make sure that the bowl that you're using is big enough since it's probably going to double in volume once you incorporate the air into it. Also, make sure that you add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. But yeah, this part is pretty straightforward. You're just gonna set your hand mixer to high and just whip it till it gets to a nice consistency between, I would say, this and this. By the time we're done with the whipped cream, the pudding mix should be ready to go. If not, then that means you picked up the wrong one, unfortunately. But we're gonna use half of our whipped cream and add it to the filling that we made, and we're just gonna stir them until they're completely mixed together. I never had it like this before. Usually whenever I'm making banana pudding, I'll just do it with the directions that are on the back of the box, but adding the condensed milk and combining the whipped cream was a game changer for me. The condensed milk gave it a really nice touch, and the whipped cream gave it a really light and airy feel to it that I really liked, so definitely gonna be making it like this from now on. Alright, so now we're ready to start layering. For our cookies, definitely make sure that you're not picking up the sugar-free or any other brand. I ended up having to pick up a different brand at first because the store that I went to was out of the Nilla wafers, and definitely no replacement for Nilla wafers, so make sure that you stick to that. And here you see me just chopping up like 5 bananas. Make sure that they're ripe, but not overly ripe. The ones that I have are probably on the last day before they become overly ripe. So yeah, just make sure they're not green, but also make sure they're not brown. Alright, now we're going to get started on our second layer, and to be honest with you, it's really no right or wrong way to do this. I kind of just freestyled it, but whatever you do, just make sure that you're being really neat and really precise because appearance is everything when it comes to banana pudding. Of course, we got to showcase all of our hard work and effort by using a glass container. I don't think that banana pudding should be served in anything else. I love this one that I picked up from IKEA, and it was actually a pretty reasonable price. I think it was like only $4 or $5. So yeah, if you are going to be making this, make sure that you pick one up. I made this banana pudding, I would say 3 weeks ago, and I pretty much ate the entire thing by myself. I mean, my husband helped a little, but I'm not gonna lie, I ate most of it. After that, I said I didn't want any more for like a year. But watching this video is really making me crave it again, so I don't know, I might end up making this next weekend. Here you just see me taking the remaining half of the whipped cream that we made earlier and spreading it as evenly as I can. And then I also kind of crumbled up some of the Nilla wafers that I had left over and sprinkled them on top for the garnish. Again, it's no right or wrong way to do it. You can get as creative as you'd like. And here's how everything turned out, y'all. It was so good. I can honestly say this is like one of my top 5 desserts. Speaking of desserts, make sure y'all let me know in the comments what y'all thought about it, how y'all like making desserts, if y'all would like for me to make more. Before you go, make sure you give me that thumbs up if you did like this video and if you do think that YouTube should show this to more people. Also want to thank everyone who is already subscribed. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that button and also hit that notification bell so that you'll stay posted for every new video that I upload. Other than that, I'll see you guys next Tuesday.